MSF compressor MSF390. They have two filling holes and two functions for 220 bar and 330 bar. This is for scuba tank filling. This is for SCBA tank filling. Let's do start. The compressor successfully filled up to 300 bar and humidity level shows 19 milligram per cubic meter. According to European standards, humidity level should be below 25 milligram per cubic meter. This is the end of test for pressurize up to 330 bar and checking the humidity level. MSF compressor located at South Korea. Homepage address www.mslcomp.com.